Hey guys, happy Saturday. Good morning. I look like crap. Excuse the look and everything. But I've been working so much at home. I ended up moving my office from downstairs upstairs. You remember I had like the wallpaper you can see like in on my videos, and I wanted to show you guys how it looks in here. So I wanted to give you like a before and after if you guys are interested, and keep watching. All right guys, so this is how it currently looks. We had to bring everything from the closet, my table. So obviously you can see everything is empty. I have to put these back in there. I have to clean this, like stained. But yeah, I wanted you guys to see before and after. That's how it currently looks. Hi guys. All right, so it's been a couple of days since the last part that you saw, which was like the big mess in my office area that I had told you guys that I moved from downstairs to upstairs. I was taking a nap with the baby, so that's why my hair is like all messed up. But I wanted to show you what I've done so far. It's still not done, but I know you guys would want to see obviously how it's going. All right, so when you walk in, I still have to put all of these frames away. I have the heat press, that's like donation. That needs to go downstairs. That's the cable for like direct internet. My ring light. So this is my store table, which I need to put like all my jewelry here. And that's on the floor, so I'll show you guys that now. And then I have my regular printer. This is my office desk. As you can see, my computer and like all the stuff that I write down. And then this is my makeup desk, which everything is like pretty much back to normal. I just need to put like, if you guys saw, I had gotten these when they were like $1. So I have to put all of these away. And then these is what I got from the Ipsy. And then I have to put that away. That's an extra printer that I have that I'm not even sure if it works anymore. Yeah, so I need to figure out if that works. These are like really old books from when I used to do like ultrasound tech. That's an extra monitor. I put my TV up. I just have a Playboy bunny shirt and joggers. Then I put that like flower thing there. And then these are like picture frames and stuff. My son's costume. And this is all like my store stuff. This is one of the purses that I'm currently selling on my website. And then you guys saw in the last clip, the closet was completely empty. So then I ended up putting some frames, all my like collectible Victoria's Secret pink dogs. These are all basically like documents and my kids' school stuff, like extra supplies. Then I have my Starbucks like collection cups. This is my newest one. It's beautiful. It's like a green color, if you can see. I might paint this because it's so old. It's already like stained with like paint and kid stuff. Then I have more of the stuff from my store, like the hair clips that I sell, and then like different knickknacks and stuff, bucket hats, extra jewelry, and then like papers and labels and stuff. And then over here is like an overflow of crinkle paper. Here I put like most important like documents and stuff. And then this is all documents. I need to figure something out for like this little area right here. And then that's just like tripod stuff, extra packaging for like Christmas. And then here I have important documents, all the handbags for my store, and then like all the Apple boxes, which it fell. So I have to go ahead and reorganize that. And then that's my son's. And that's like the thermal printer like box. So for now, that's how it's looking. And I'm pretty happy with it. Can't complain. So like I said, I'm going to do a lot of videos in here. I'm excited. I don't know if you remember, my downstairs had like that wallpaper that I had put up. And then here I just have like the window for the natural lighting. And then it's easier because I have this bigger wall. So I have like my store stuff and then like my regular work area. So yeah, I just need, because I only have this chair for now. I mean, I can move it from like the 3 different sections. But I wanted to get something cute for over here. So I'll see about that. And then I have to put all of this up, which that's another whole thing in itself. But yeah, overall, I've been working a lot in the house and organizing and moving things and trying to freshen up everything, you know, just getting rid of like stuff that we don't need or we don't use. I've been selling stuff on my OfferUp. And it's just been a lot of work, like with the kids and everything. But it's been fun, and I like this like new like office setup. It's a complete like change from downstairs to upstairs. But yeah, let me know what you guys think, and if you enjoyed the video. Let me see. I was thinking about doing like other areas in the house of things that let me know if you guys want to see a video of decorating for Valentine's Day. I already started like coffee area and like things here and there. And then obviously when I am done fixing everything here, like stuff that I have on the floor and putting everything away, I'll give you an update on that as well. But yeah, this was a quick little video. I can show my makeup collection if you guys want. Anything. So let me know what you guys think. If you like the setup, I still have to hang something here. I want to hang something here. And then get my chair, and literally that's about it. I just have to hang up my store stuff there. But yeah, most of it is basically done. The biggest part was like my makeup area and the tables and stuff for my store, and you know, all the big stuff over there. So yeah, I want to get this video up for you guys because I know I had started it and then it was a couple days because I had to get everything together. But yeah, I'm glad that I was able to work on it. So let me know what you guys think. It is a short one, but like I said, if you want to see a more in-depth like makeup collection or anything like that, just let me know in the comments down below. And I'm glad that I was able to see you guys. Bye.